Don't forget to subscribe to the Amit Maki Vlogs and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
Alright guys, so done from here. Oh my god, it was a crazy day, a crazy time. We had to change up. Technically this is the second day and we couldn't vlog last night after showing you guys the villa and everything, you know, so it took us a good amount of time. So we're done from here. We gotta rush back towards Delhi because I got a couple of commitments over there, and secondly, day after tomorrow I have to leave for a shoot in Hyderabad. So believe it or not, I'm just going there for a day, and after that, again, another surprise, I am going to my hometown. It happened all of a sudden. That was not planned, but yeah, I gotta go there. I got some important work, personal work, yes, so that needs to be done, and just leaving off from here. Exalter Group was amazing with us. We had a great time, and definitely we are going to be working with them, I believe, in the future upcoming projects in the near future. Yes, definitely 100%. I had a real good bond with the owner himself. Amazing thing, amazing experience all in itself. So yeah, we just stayed here for 2 days and we're gonna head back quickly, back to home, back to work, back to Delhi, normal life, blah blah blah. So I'm just waiting for Priyanka. She's just gone to the restaurant to get us some meal. I am in the location itself. Just have a look over here. We are still over here and we will be leaving together in a while. Hopefully in a couple of minutes, next 20 minutes, we should hit the roads. That's what we planned, but then not everything happens according to plan. That's the craziest part. So catch you guys now. Let's meet Priyanka and let's see what she has to say. Okay guys, the camera goes to Priyanka and she's gonna do the talking and I'm gonna do the driving.
Okay. I thought you were gonna say I'm gonna be the camera person and you're gonna do the talking. And I was like, what is he saying? Alright, so this is day 2. I think Ahmed has already told you, right?
And we leaving from here.
Yeah. That was the property.
And that is the owner's car.
Yeah. Do you see that?
He's a very nice person.
Yeah, he's a very nice person. I'll just zoom it. I think, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's their construction site. They're still, they still have a lot to build. If you look. By the way, guys, I must tell you, the view from this property is amazing. From here, it's not that visible. But if you're on the rooftop or if you're on the other side of the, the building, then you'll know. Yeah. So that's it.
Done with today's shoot.
Yeah, done with today's shoot.
Heading back to Delhi.
Fun fact, from last 3 days, we did not even wash our faces. Because I don't know why. And we were just cleaning it with a, with a towel. That's it, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. And yeah, we survived and we're not stinking. Yeah, we're not stinking. And even if we are, we will have to deal with it.
It's okay.
There's no third person. Then,
Yes.
so, nobody's gonna know. Guys, we are finally going back, but look at the view. Just look at it. Wow. I love this road. Even when we were coming towards the property in Ranikhet, I was like, this is very nice and very spacious. There's this, what do we call it, yaar? Army space that they have here.
Cantonment.
Yeah, cantonment. And yeah, we just want to go home now. We are very tired. We want to rest. And I
We
think
both have a hectic journey ahead.
hectic. We thought we will, we will stop by and we will, go through all the markets and shops and everything that is, the USP of this place. But we
But then
couldn't.
we realized that there is nothing around this place.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's Nainital, but then I've been there, so itna bhi kuch, I didn't find it too interesting or, something new. But the journey is nice. It's not that bad. From Nainital to Ranikhet, that's very good. From Delhi to Nainital, I will not comment. All right. So I don't know where exactly we are, but how far is Delhi?
306-7 kilometers.
6-7 kilometers.
306.
306 kilometers. It is.
Yes,
and,
it is.
Ahmed is driving, and here I am.
All dead.
All dead, motion sickness. I do not want to vomit because I just don't. So I'm trying, to control, divert myself, and what. I also don't want to sleep because Ahmed is driving and he might also feel sleepy, so I don't want to take that risk. And also I'm sitting on the front seat, so there are some etiquettes. I'm trying to follow them, but honestly I hate this route so bad. From Delhi to Nainital, the route sucks. I don't know if I should use that word, but it does. Guys, so just be careful, those who have motion sickness problem. Even I don't. I've traveled so much to hills, I never get this feeling. But this time, I don't know, for some reason, I've been to Uttarakhand as well. I don't know, maybe we worked so much. We got exhausted. We did not had meal on time. So there were a lot of things going on. We walked a lot, literally, and so we are just tired. And then this route, it's making me go crazy. It's night, and what time is it? It's not night. It's 7:41, but it's already dark. And I'm just glad to see few cars.
That is heading towards Delhi?
Yeah, they're heading towards Delhi. So that's even better. Here's Ahmed. And here am I. And
बीमार पड़ी हो?
yeah, but I took a quick nap. और अहमद ने कुछ बोला भी नहीं मुझे, so I'm feeling a little better, but I'm gonna sleep again. And where's the map? Okay, so it shows that it's gonna take how many hours? 5 hours? 5 hours 20 minutes. So it's gonna take 5 hours 20 minutes to reach home. So hopefully we'll be safe, and hopefully Ahmed will not feel sleepy. Ahmed has had his dinner, but not proper, but like he had a little bit. Are you hungry?
No.
No.
अभी नहीं हूँ.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
बाद में खा लूँगा.
Yeah. We might take a stop.
That's might.
Yeah, मतलब that's like the rarest chance. We're trying to reach home as soon as possible, but let's see. Guys, it's 10 p.m. and guess what happened? So Ali saw this opportunity.
Ali?
Sorry, please cut
Who
that.
is Ali?
Ali is my friend, and Ali is the guy that we met today also, like yesterday also. So I'm so sorry. I'm mixing Ali and Ahmed. Oh God, this proves that I am not feeling well. Anyways, so Ahmed saw this opportunity and he took it. And so there were these trucks, and unme bahut ganne. What do we call them?
Sugarcane.
Sugarcane. Yeah. Okay. So there were sugarcane trucks, and a lot of people were just taking sugarcane from these trucks without paying for them.
I mean, like, it's fine.
They're just staying.
Huh?
They're just, even the truck driver was like, yeah, please take it. He was happy to serve. And Ahmed was like, you know what? He was sitting, and we were stuck in traffic, and he was sitting for a while, and then he was like, you know what? I'm also gonna do it. I'm also gonna take it. And I was not expecting that. He just got out of the car. He took 5 or 6 sugar canes, so big. He opened the car and he literally threw them at me. He was like, Priyanka, just catch them. Just take them. They were so big.
They're long.
They're long, yeah. So I thought this I have to open
Show
my
them
window
the
now. Yeah, I will. Is it
sugar
visible? Let me see. Do you see? Yeah. These are two of them. That's the color. And then there are more. Those are not visible because it's too dark. But yeah, you can see, right? That's visible in the camera. And yeah, so I had to open my window because I thought, this way it won't fit in the car. But then Ahmed has ideas, and he knows how to fix things, and he knows how to, fit things. So somehow, we managed. And yeah, now it's not just two of us, it's me, Ahmed, and the Gannas and the sugar canes. Alright, so it's 10:06 p.m. now, and we will see you later. Alright, so I'm about to reach home thanks to Ahmed. I slept a lot according to him, but I'm still feeling so sleepy that I can't even wait for 5 minutes. I feel like, okay, it's just 5 minutes, let's utilize it and
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep, but I mean, Ahmed won't like that. He's been driving so long,
Yes.
and
It was a hectic day.
it was very hectic day. It was such a hectic day. Not just hectic day, it was hectic days.
Days.
It was days.
But work is work.
But work is work. And I'm so glad that now we are back in Delhi.
Yes.
So
Delhi.
glad.
Ah.
And now I feel like, oh no, it's not chilling because we were in Uttarakhand and it was so cold that I now feel warm
In Delhi.
in Delhi. Yeah. Oh god, that's so good. Ahmed still have to drive a lot because he will drop me to one part of Delhi and then he will go to another part because that's where he lives. So it's going to be still a ride for him.
Yes. Another
Yeah,
40
minutes, I think.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. So he will just drop me in like 5 minutes,
5 minutes.
and then he will have a 45 minutes drive. Is it on?
Yes.
Alright guys, so I finally reached. This is my society. I'm gonna go up on my floor and then I will sleep. And that was it. This was my journey with Ahmed. And
We'll catch up more soon.
yes, I hope you like this video when you watch it. Looking forward to it.
Bye bye to Priyanka.
Bye bye.
Take care. Have a
Yes.
good day. See you soon.
Yes. You will have to open the dicky.
Okay guys, so I am almost about to get to my house in a while, just about to reach home, and it's not really far away from here, so just trying to get there quick because it's already late. The time is about 2:48 a.m. in the morning, so I really don't want to take things too late because I got work tomorrow, and so just being on the safer side, want to go home, want to take enough rest and get my day done. So tell me, what do you think about the vlog today? I know it was crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. And if you guys have any questions or you want to ask me anything, please feel free to ask me. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next vlog. What do you guys think about Priyanka? She's a very good friend of mine, very close friend. So we work together, so that's the fun part. And we had to travel because of work. On the way, I got no idea where I dropped my mask. I lost it. So the mask that I'm wearing now is being given to me by Priyanka. She had an extra mask, thank God to that. I don't know, else it will be a problem if the police catches me. They would definitely find me, but we found one. It was in our bag and that came handy. So let's hope for the best. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, love, peace.